Setting up a Rumble channel is a great way to share video content with a growing audience, and this video will help you in a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Open Rumble's website. You remember it should be official Rumble's website. Click on sign up to the top right corner. You can sign up using your email, Gmail account, or Facebook account. Once you enter your information, agree to the terms and click sign up. After signing in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select account overview. Go to the channel to set up channel's detail. You can choose unique or recognizable name, description, upload a profile picture, cover photo to represent your brand, and save your setting. These settings will help you to identify or stand out your channel in such a mess. In account overview, you can find various monetization options like exclusive license, video management, and you can choose any option that fits for your monetization goal. Then you can click on upload button to upload your first video on Rumble. You can add title, tags, description, thumbnail, just like in YouTube. Now always try to see the guidelines of Rumble's content website. Now once your video is uploaded, you can share the link on your social media and embed your website. By following these steps, you can set up your Rumble channel in a very quick manner, and I'll see you in the next one.